Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and we were able to make some easy upgrades to our home with this little mini relay from Shelly.
This is the Shelly 1 Mini Smart Switch, and this is a little relay that you can use to automate a variety of different items. We used it here with our garage door opener. It is super small, and we installed it directly onto the existing garage door opener system, and this really was a big upgrade. We can control our garage door now with a variety of ways. We can use it with our smart home system. It's compatible with Alexa and Google Home. There is also an app for iOS and Android, and it is really easy to set that up so that you can now control your garage door through the app. You can also use this to control things like irrigation systems or lighting, and it's very easy to install and it works super well. You can also easily pair this with Wi-Fi or Bluetooth enabled buttons, so this gives you a lot of different options.
So do yourself a favor and make your life easier and make your house a little bit smarter with the Shelly 1 Mini. We absolutely love this, and that's my point of view.